We're going with Bitcoin first. So I see Bitcoin at 96,000. Just a quick look. So parabolic line going down, which is good. It will require the price to go a little bit, uh, not necessarily higher high this time. Well, it would be a higher high, but not that high. So we want this to go down. We said here when price went down below this line, expecting sideways action. So we keep having sideways action. And we also said that this gap seems to be closing, and we wait for the bullish circle. So nothing has changed. For Bitcoin, it's exactly the same. We're just gonna move up supports here. Weekly is exactly the same. These continue to be good opportunities. But besides this, exactly the same for Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin is moving sideways, so I will not change this. This is exactly the same on the weekly. Let's see what altcoins are doing meanwhile. So for altcoins, what we see right now. All right, for altcoins, as Bitcoin moves sideways, altcoins went down to test support. And it's looking very similar to this red line, probably this yellow line when we expected this like 4 weeks ago. And we said that if this line broke, then these two scenarios are very probable. And since the yellow one seems to be playing out so far, so I think it's time for us just to remove this line, just for total altcoins. Also, we are waiting for the bullish circle here. And for me, I think we could get this bullish circle very soon. And if we get that, right now it would be ideal because it's like holding the support. Went down, like a big week, return, holding this, and if we get a bullish circle, we'll probably see the next leg up. All right, so let me go to Ethereum. So Ethereum is doing its best just to hold because it is right now trading below the rider band, which is not good. We need Ethereum to go back above the rider band. And it held support perfectly. It was a perfect trading opportunity. But right now it's trying to hold it. I mean, not a good entry. I would say not a good time to enter Ethereum right now. Just to wait and see because we need this one above band. And let's go check ADA. ADA as well, parabolic line going down. Take profit here in case there's a bounce. We bought market here because I mentioned before, and we have a mark here that this was ideal buy zone. So we bought here for spot positions. We're still waiting for the bullish circle. Daily strong support is still here, still holding. And what I would like to see for ADA is for price to get back above this band on the weekly, and it's trying, but it's just Monday. Could be just a week. But we need ADA to start trading here so we can see a recovery on the next weeks. But I would say so far plan still the same. This was our bison. I will keep holding. Money flow seems to be recovering a little bit, but again, this is just Monday. It's too soon. But it would be a good sign. So we need a green circle and we need this bullish outcome, and ideally the money flow going up as well. That would be just the next leg up. So for holders, I will keep holding. Let's take a quick look to other coins as well. Let's see XRP. XRP looks very strong, actually moving sideways after it closed below this one. No rush here. I think it needs a little bit more time. Let's look at Aave, one of my favorites here. Reminds me of ADA as well, but this one it is holding, so this chart is a little bit better than ADA one. I mean, this was a good opportunity to buy. I would hold. I will hold here. I do have some exposure, and I believe this zone is still good to buy because this one is performing really, really well. So yeah, this is it, guys, on the weekly. I will keep this weekly update very short because it is very clear. I don't want to overextend on weekly analysis because I think the less the better. Less is more in this case. Like very clear outcomes, very clear what we're waiting for, and do not overcomplicate it. Have a great week. And next I will go to lower timeframes on separate video.